Hello, I'm Polly, and today I'd like to talk about the character of God in Jonah, referring or proving it with Exodus chapter 34, verse 5 to 7. So the focus topic is, how is God like in Jonah? How do we know? How is God like in Exodus? How do we know? How can you prove how God is in Jonah by Exodus? But the focus topic question is, how do we find and explain the character of God in Jonah using Exodus chapter 34, verse 5 to 7? First, we have to know how God is like in Jonah. God is compassionate, slow to anger, forgiver, instructor, provider, or giver, and a savior in the book of Jonah. But how do we know? If you look at the book carefully, you can see that God is a gracious, compassion, slow to anger, abounding in love. And also, if you can see that it says Lord provided, so you can see that he was a provider. How is God in Exodus? He's compassionate, slow to anger, provider or giver, forgiver, savior, instructor, helper, and is never failing or never-ending love. How do we know? If you look at the book, you can see that he is slow to anger, compassionate, gracious, abounding in love and faithfulness, maintaining love 2000 and forgiving wickedness, rebellion and sin. And you can see that he is compassionate, gracious, slow to anger, abounding in love, faithful. How can you prove how God is in Jonah by using Exodus? If you see here, you can compare. So here and here, you can see that they're both compassionate, abounding in love, slow to anger, and others. And you can see that he provided a fish, saved Jonah, and was compassionate. And also, if you look at other books of Exodus, you can see that he provides the Israelites meat, food, water, and other stuff so they could live. Also, if you see here, you can see that it's pretty similar. Overall similar. So first, find the character of God, and then try proving it with another chapter of the book. So you can see that we use Jonah and Exodus as an example. This video was about the character of God in Jonah and how to prove it with Exodus chapter 34, verse 5 to 7. Thank you.